Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today, what I want to show you is a really nice machine. We don't get them in this nice that often. This came out of somebody's garage, barely used. I really don't even know if he's ever used it. You can see all the chrome scraping. There's scraping on the tables here, but not a mark anywhere. You see all the tooling that comes with it. It's a standard R8, nice curt vise. Take a close look here. Table's like brand new. That's the best they're gonna look. Now this particular machine's a 3-axis, so it has the X, the Y, and then you also have your Z, which is your head coming down. Sometimes you do that manually, and you can use this manually or in a CNC manner. Now right now I have it just in the jog mode, just so you can see how smooth everything works. It's got servo drives. Very, very nice, smooth and quick. That's going to be one of the best parts of these chrome and scraped ways, going to make it so everything runs really smoothly. Now, this is one of the best computers you can put onto your machine here. This computer probably well over $30,000, and it's a very, very late model. You also have your jog button right here. What this does is allows you to click for your next step, and that allows to know that your next step, or you just go ahead and hit it on the computer here. Now you got your digital readout, then you're also going to have your different programs that you can put into here. Different tools, different programs, you can come back to them, call them up, repeat a job, makes it really, really easy. That's one of the best benefits, obviously, of using a CNC is that you can repeat your job, make sure that you're at a really high quality finish. Now, you can take a look at this machine and see everything on it. It's all original paint. Comes with the tooling that comes with it. Again, it's probably one of the nicest ones we've ever had in here. It comes with a full guarantee. Everything's been checked out and it's ready to go. You can see we have a lot of different mills here. All these different mills, most of them are going to be manual. A lot of them are CNC. Some have digital readouts, some don't. We put some digital readouts. These ones we installed ourselves. We can install power feeds. So if you see one on the floor or on our website that doesn't have exactly what you wanted, just let us know and we can find a way to make that happen. We'll go ahead and run the head here for you. And we'll check everything out before it leaves. As I could say, this machine has hardly been used. Very, very light use. Brake works great. Very, very clean machine, and it's ready to go. Now, give us a call if this is what you're interested in. If you have one for sale, if you're looking for a full CNC machining center, we could do all that for you. 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.